Peace be upon you. Welcome back to Mr. SALAMA TV channel. Today, inshallah, we are going to have a grammar structure which is called the zero conditional. We can make a zero conditional sentence with two present simple verbs, one in the F clause and one in the main clause. So the rule is if plus present simple, present simple. This conditional is used when the result will always happen. So, if water reaches 100 degrees, it always boils. So, it's a fact. I'm talking in general. I'm not talking about one particular situation. So, the result of the F clause is always the main clause. It stays the same. This conditional is used when the result will always happen. So, if water reaches 100 degrees, it always boils. So, it's a fact. I'm talking in general, not about one particular situation. The result of the if clause is always the main clause. The if in this conditional can usually be replaced by when without changing the meaning. If you boil water, it turns into steam. You can also say when you boil water, it turns into steam. For example, if water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. It is always true. There can't be a different result. The result is the same. If I eat peanuts, I am sick. This is true only for me. Maybe not for everyone, but it is still true that I'm sick every time I eat peanuts. So in this case I'm talking about my personal habits. I'm not talking about others' habits. So zero conditional clause is for what actually happens, is for facts, habits, general truths. The next. These are some of the examples of the zero conditional. If people eat too much, they get fat. So present simple, eat. Get is also present simple. This naturally happens. It is always true. If you touch fire, you get burnt. Touch is a present simple tense. Get is a present simple tense. So the if clause is in the present simple tense. The result is also in the present simple tense. So this naturally happens. It is always true. Touch, get, touch, get. The next one. People die if they don't eat. Die, don't eat. Die, don't eat. Die is present simple tense. Don't eat, present simple. So, this is a zero conditional type. This naturally happens. It is always true. The next. You get water if you mix oxygen and hydrogen. You get water if you mix oxygen and hydrogen. Get, present simple. Mix, present simple. So, this naturally happens. It is always true. So, it is a fact. Snakes bite if they are scared. Bite, are. Simple, simple. Present simple, present simple. Snakes bite if they are scared. This naturally happens. It is always true. It is a fact. Next. If babies are hungry, they cry. Are, cry. Present simple. Cry, present simple. This naturally happens. It is always true. It is a fact. The next. If we add 5 to 3, we get 8. Add, present simple. Get, present simple. This naturally happens. It is always true. It is a fact because we get the same result every time we do it. The next. If I have a headache, I drink coffee. Have, present simple. Drink, present simple. This is true only for me. This is my personal habit. This is something related to me. It's not related to someone else. It's related to me. Because if I have a headache, I always drink coffee. If our heart stops, we die. If our heart stops, we die. Stops, present simple. Die, present simple. This naturally happens. It is always true. It is a fact. If our heart stops, we die. The next. If we don't water plants, they die. If we don't water plants, they die. Don't water, die. Don't water, present simple. Die is also a present simple tense. If we don't water plants, they die. This naturally happens. It is always true. It is a fact. If water is frozen, it turns into ice. Is frozen, present simple. Turns, present simple. This naturally happens. It is always true. It is a fact. So, if water is frozen, it turns into ice. If ice is heated, it melts. Is heated, present simple. Melts, present simple. If ice is heated, it melts. This naturally happens. It is always true. It is also a fact. If ice is heated, it melts.